fixing it, after fixing it here for the sewing, I have to remove this from my stand so that I could show you guys everything visibly. So this is what I'm talking about. Then you pass the thread this way. There is nobody actually here to assist me in holding this camera, so I have to do it myself. Then you see the other hole. Don't know, okay. Pass it this way. You guys are seeing what I'm doing. Okay. Pass it this way. See what I'm doing? Then you take it again to this one. Okay. Okay. See what I'm doing? Then so that I bought this machine. So this is actually how mine is. Mine is ML M2. So just take it to this hole. This is how it's so sharp. Then pass. See what I'm doing? I hope you guys are getting this. Then here you take it under here like this. Like this. Then you bring it down. Then for a very good stitch, that's why you guys need to stay tuned to this video, like watch to the end. To get to, assume you're in a foreign land, like you're in the US or something like that, this thing here is actually has its own functions to on your stitch. You get on your stitch, so you take it under to get a perfect stitch, and it works very fine for me. Take it under, then move it inside here. Then you see this stuff, this stuff. You pull your thread, pass it through this. Okay. This is it. Okay. Then you pass through this one. Pass through this one. This other one down. Then see what I'm doing. Okay. Then you see this stuff. It's also important, except you only have spoiled. Then you just take it. Wow. Very easy. Then I actually try to make every single detail in passing my threads in order to get a very fine stitch. So I don't know if you guys seen this hole here. This hole, I usually pass thread there, not all the time, but for the sake of learning, to have a knowledge of what we're actually doing, I pass my thread there. It also have an impact in giving us a very good stitch also. Then see, I'm good. Then this stuff here is for bringing your thread out, or if you want to sew something that is very, as in, I don't know how to put it. Well, you saw what I'm doing, Sha. It's for taking up and bringing your thread out if you want to. Then see, let me drag this a little. Hope you guys learned something. Please, if you're learning, okay, sorry, I haven't passed the thread into the needle. So is it? If you know you are learning something from this, you're gaining something, please like, share, subscribe, and for more updates. Now this is it. Sorry, when the camera is shaking a little. See? Then you just let's press this stuff. Okay. Oh, cut. Let's go again. Sorry. So let's go again. It's cutting again now. What's happening? So let's go. Let's use this stuff. You know what's happening. See it. Wow. So guys, like, share, subscribe if you gain something really meaningful in this video. And guys, this stuff here, I want to impact something here. This stuff here, many people ask what's this and what's that. Now if for instance you want your needle to always be down whenever you stop sewing, like, okay, let's do a practical work here. Like this is it now. This is it now. This stuff here is down. It is down. Whenever I sew, my needle will always be down, holding my fabric. Now if I should do this, it's up. It means whenever I sew, no matter how I match my machine, my needle is actually going to be up. You see what I'm saying here? So guys, I hope you learned something from this. Like, share, subscribe. This to increase your speed, this to reduce your speed, and this is to save whatever input you have gotten. So if you did this, because I usually use on a very kind of average speed, this is what I use. So I'll wear some. Okay, what's that? Let's go. Save. You get. So that was it. So thank you guys for watching.